One of the things that's really unique about the University of South Florida is its relationship to USF Health Camels, which is a 90,000 square foot simulation center right in the backyard of the University of South Florida. And one of the cool things that we're able to do at Camels is we're able to give fellows an opportunity to really engage in education, teaching, and practice. This past year we had an incredible opportunity for fellows in obstetrics and gynecology to come in and teach community providers in obstetrics and gynecology and give them more hands-on experience in this simulation center. So what's really neat is they not only are able to deliver didactic lectures, but they're also able to provide hands-on and experiential learning for these participants in our community.
It's been really exciting to work with other fellows at USF and then other OBGYNs in the community and really being able to interact and talk about what we love, which is OBGYN care and helping them better assist and better be able to meet patient needs in the community. It's also helping me better be able to explain and kind of refresh myself as well on common patient complaints and how to make sure we're meeting all of their health needs and doing the appropriate screenings, but also not overlooking any kind of particular condition.
I like to teach personally, and so it was really fun to kind of take what I know about the procedure and turn it into like a learning experience and an interactive experience. It also helped, reinforce things for me because some of those things aren't things that I deal with every day anymore now that I'm pursuing a subspecialty, so that was fun as well.
The great thing about the Camels Center is there's so many different opportunities. There's rooms to practice having patient interactions. There are all kinds of mannequins where you can actually practice procedures or different patient scenarios.
I'm really interested in pursuing academic medicine in the future, and so working on just any sort of like leading and teaching skills is really helpful to me, as well as I think simulation is really cool and becoming more of a tool at all levels in the practice of medicine. There's always new things coming out. So it's fun to put together a simulation, lead a simulation, and see how other people learn that way.
All of this is an incredible way for them to give back both as clinicians, but also get more experience in education, as well as improving healthcare in our communities.